You found the house you want to buy. You only have 5% cash down though, and you need to do renovations right away because it's just not there yet. What can you do? You can get a line of credit. It's probably going to be an interest rate of 8, 9, 10%, and good luck qualifying for that now because you already qualified for a mortgage. Your best case scenario, the purchase plus improvements. Take a look at this scenario. Get in here so people can see it. Let's say you bought the house for $400,000. You can qualify on the future equitable value after doing renovations. If it's predicted to be worth $500,000, the bank will give you that $100,000 gap towards renovations if you do 5% on the balance. So instead of buying for $400,000, doing a $20,000 cash down, do a purchase plus improvements based on the future equitable value. You only need an extra $5,000 more towards your mortgage to qualify. Gives you an extra $95,000 to renovate. The interest rate is the exact same as if you get a typical mortgage, and you can do the renovations right away and call it your dream home. That's purchase plus improvements. You found the perfect house. Why do I always say you found the perfect house? Because it's not perfect. It needs renovations. Okay.
That's very true.
You found a house. You want to buy it. You love it, but you only have 5.
You found your dream home, but it's not quite there yet. You need to
Such a Darren Wilson thought. You found your okay, this is a Darren video. You found your dream home, but it's not quite there yet. So what do you need to do to qualify? Get in here and take a look-see. Okay.
I'd have better writing than that crap.